So this is gonna be my Terrell Owens unboxing video. I received this like 2 or 3 weeks ago. It's Mitchell & Ness replica edition, the 2002 one. And it came in pretty fast. Shipping was free. I got it in size medium. Depending on the jersey, I'd either buy medium or large. There's the front. You got some stitch numbers as well, the NFL logo. I always like to look on the inside. It's mostly like NBA where it's has some, yeah, I just have to take these off. As you can see, it's $150 MSRP. It has the Throwbacks Mitchell & Ness tag. And for this Mitchell & Ness, it says replica edition. So medium is 40. Sometimes it's like 44 medium. So it just depends. Just depends on how they size it. The stripes on the side, you got 3 stripes, and then the 81 stitched on. And on the bottom here it says the replica collection 2002. And in the back it's the Terrell, the letters. It's pretty nice. So overall, very nice jersey. And I'm gonna usually, like the jerseys I like to wear, it's close to the chest. So this is the perfect size. I don't like it like, if you see, it's like right here. Sometimes some people like wear it like very baggy. So as you can see, it's not that much. And then you see on the shoulder, it's like right here. Some people like it where the jersey's like right here, it's all baggy, loose. I don't really like that. But anyway, it looks nice on me. I'm a Terrell Owens fan, not so much a 49er fan, but I like to collect the jerseys of some great players, NFL, NBA, NHL. I don't really watch NHL, but I'll buy the jersey because it looks nice. But anyway, that's the Terrell Owens. I'll have another unboxing video of the 49er jerseys. It's like 3 or 4 of them.